Hi, let us see this week's stock recommendation for doing swing trading. Previous week it was everywhere the happy faces we were able to see because the Nifty has touched the dream mark of 18,000. From there it has given rally up to 18,190, and the bigger good news is on the Friday night closing the Singapore Nifty is showing 18,300. So the expectation for this week is on Monday there may be a gap up opening in Nifty so that to retest that 18,300 mark. So from there may be a small consolidation for some time, and from there the next target of 18,500 is going to meet or not. Let us wait and see. So last week it was a very good week for everyone. I hope everyone would have been made use of that good rally, and I also was happy since I made some good money in the previous week. So let us start seeing the stock recommendation for this week for doing swing trading. So let us start the week-ahead analysis with the Nifty. So the Nifty has given the breakout here and it has touched the mark of around 18,200 here. So the next expected target for this week is 18,500 levels. So from here maybe the Nifty can go and touch the 18,500 like this, like a rally, or there may be a pullback or a retracement towards the resistance line, and from there again the rally may start, or else there may be a one probability, maybe a third probability, it may be a fake breakout and it can even reverse from here. So I'm expecting this three probability as a trader. Next stock for doing swing trading is India Cements. So let's see India Cements now. Okay, so the India Cements chart is now looking like this. Now exactly the price now is in the value area. Why value area? See, the price has taken a pullback towards the moving average band and it is quite consolidating for some time. So I expect for this week now it is ready to move from this level to at least retest this area. This is what the expectation is for the India Cements with a good risk to reward ratio. So the next stock recommendation for this week is 𝗙𝗹𝗹. Let's see 𝗙𝗹𝗹. So the 𝗙𝗹𝗹 right now the chart is looking like this. So actually I took I took position in 𝗙𝗹𝗹 2 weeks back in this area itself. Can you see this black arrow? So in this area I already hold positions in cash swing trade, and it is with a quite good profit I'm sitting. And the next good entry, a logical good entry for the good risk to reward ratio will be here. You see this doji candle near the moving average band area. So from here again I expect a U-turn. The price is to take the U-turn and at least meet this target. Otherwise it may once again also may take a pullback towards the moving average band. From here it may go at the start its journey towards the uptrend. This is what the expectation for the 𝗙𝗹𝗹. The next stock for this week recommendation is Bajaj Finance. Yes, so quite a long time there is a resistance line here. So here is the resistance tested, the price has tested the resistance and rejected, and now the price here is in the value area. So from here I expect, already since it has taken a pullback or a retracement move, from here I expect the move in the coming week. I'm expecting like this. So this is what for the third stock. And the next one finally is SBI Life. Let us see SBI Life. So perfectly it is looking like a inverted head and shoulder pattern. See, this is a kind of head and shoulder pattern, and also the price is in the value area here. So I expect again the price has to move and at least retest this area. So this is what the expectation I have in SBI Life. So all these we have seen for the going long, that is buy and sell trades. And let us see some stocks for swing trading stocks for shorting. Actually I'm not very eagerly looking for shorting since the Nifty is in good uptrend. So let us see if something like a market correction or some bad news happens. Let us get prepared for the shorting also. So for that, the stock recommendation is for shorting is Biocon. Let us see Biocon. So this is what the Biocon chart is looking like currently. So it is in the channel pattern, in a downwards channel, and facing resistance again and again. When the price touches this area, the price is getting rejected both on the trend line and also the moving average band area. So can you see the moving average band area on the downtrend and showing in the red color? So that is what the Biocon is looking like. So we can take an entry once again if the price takes a U-turn like this and again comes back. So this will be the good entry for going short. So the next stock for shorting, I'm seeing the opportunity with a good risk to reward ratio is Hero MotoCorp. Let us see Hero MotoCorp. Yes. So this is what the Hero MotoCorp chart is telling to me, that the price is getting rejected in the trend line, and also it has taken a pullback towards the moving average band and it has taken a rejection. So the possibility is again if it is going to take a pullback here and again comes back, so this will be the good entry point with a good risk to reward ratio for going short. Give a like for this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for getting the regular updates like this. If you have any specific doubts regarding the swing trading stock selection and swing trading strategies, type your comments in the comment box. I'll be replying quickly for your questions. So, and also I have given my WhatsApp number. You can contact me in my WhatsApp number for your doubts regarding the swing trading strategies and swing trading stock selections.